Quality pest control is all about treating each and every customer like family and delivering that good old-fashioned 1950s style of doing business.
Back in the 1950s, I remember driving with my mom to a gas station. Back then they were called service stations. And 4 guys would come out in ties and do service on her vehicle. And it was so remarkable back then. Well, that's the kind of service that we're trying to bring here at Quality Commercial Pest Control. What I feel and what makes me so excited in this industry is the referrals that we get from each customer. That to me is a testament to what our guys are doing in the field, and that's exciting to me. We are a full service pest and termite company, and we take a lot of pride in our continuing education for our guys. They are all licensed, Branch 2 and Branch 3, to take care of all of our customers' needs. We're delivering the 1950s style of business and service by going the extra mile. And when I say that, I mean we have an inspection report, and that inspection report allows us to go around and really thoroughly take care of that customer, making sure all their needs are met. If there's a crack in the walls, if there's water leaks, if there's roof damage, things of that nature, that we can let them know that these are going to be future problems for them in the pest industry. We are a family-owned and operated company, so no matter what size your business may be, your success is key to our growth, which is why we treat each client as if they are our only customer.
A lot has changed since the 1950s, but one thing that hasn't changed is Quality Commercial Pest Control's commitment to the customer and to delivering that good old-fashioned service and treating every customer like family.